Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Glasswire notification set. Glasswire is a powerful network monitoring and firewall tool. Glasswire can alert you about new devices on a network app, accessing the internet, unusual activity or the remote connection. Adjusting these notifications can help you stay secure without being overwhelmed by the alert. And let's dive in. First, you need to launch your Glasswire app and make sure it's running already. And over here, you can go to the alert tabs if you do not find. So you can simply upgrade it over here. And the alert tab is only available for the upgraded one. And you'll see a list of available notifications, new app accessing to the internet, unusual activity, new device detected and remote connection detected, and DNS change. You can enable or disable notifications. Glasswire lets you choose exactly what you want to be notified about so you can focus the alerts that matter the most. And that is it. Now you know how to customize Glasswire notification to stay secure and informed without being overwhelmed. Adjust your alerts to match your network activity and keep your internet usage under control. And thank you for watching. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.